Hey guys, welcome back. And for this video, I am going to show you how to copy and paste photo edits on iPhone. So first, what you want to do is go to your photos, then pick on any picture that you want. Let's say I'm going to use this picture. Now I'm just going to go click on edit here on the top right. And let's just try to put some edit right here. Put some highlights, shadows. And once you're done, you just need to click on the three dots here on the top right, then click on copy edits. So after that, just click on done, and let's try to apply it to the same picture right here. So as you can see, they're different, but once I paste it, so just click on the top right here on the three dots, then paste edits right here, click on that under the move to shared library. And as you can see, it applied the edit that I did here on the first picture. And that's it, guys. If you have found this video helpful, simply leave a like below or subscribe because it helps reach more people. See you on the next one.